We're in the town of Damyang, South Korea, and today we're gonna explore a bamboo forest. According to this pamphlet we got, it says that bamboo absorbs 4 times more CO2 than pine trees. It helps you relieve your stress, relax your muscles, soothe your mind, and increase your happiness, as well as improve your brain function by absorbing CO2. It produces 2 times more phytosides than cypress. Phytoside is a natural substance that trees produce to keep pests and microbes away. When you breathe in the phytosides produced by the bamboo forest, your stress will be relieved and your intestinal and cardiovascular functions will be enhanced. So, breathe in, breathe out. So I really enjoyed walking through the bamboo forest. I liked listening to the wind rustle through the bamboo leaves and hearing all the different birds. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and I'll see you in the next video. Dance party at the bamboo gardens.